Hello friends, so let's have one more practice session for GRE Quant portion. This is the 11th video on this series of classes and let's start this video. Before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda. I am ex-IISc MTech Mechanical and in GATE exam I have secured AIR66 in mechanical background. So here is very first question of this video. The radius of a circle A is 12 greater than the radius of circle B. Okay. Quantity A and quantity B are given to us. Quantity B is constant, that is 72, directly given to us. And quantity A is equal to the circumference of circle A minus the circumference of circle B. Okay, and we have to compare these quantities, right? We don't know exact values of radius of circle A and circle B, but we have to compare them. So can we write this and circle B? So from given information we can write radius of circle A is equals to radius of circle B plus 12, right? We can write this equation, right? The circumference of circle A, what will be value of circumference, that is perimeter of circle A, right? If you want to find perimeter of circle A, then perimeter of circle A will become 2 pi RA, radius of A. Perimeter of circle B will become 2 pi times radius of B, right? We just want to find difference of this PA minus PB. What will be PA minus PB? So 2 pi times RA minus 2 pi times RB. So let's take 2 pi as common. So 2 pi times RA minus RB. So we don't know exact values of RA and RB, but we know difference. From this we can write, from this equation, what we can write is RA minus RB, that is 12, right? So let's put this value. So it will become 2 pi times of 12. So 24 times of pi. 24 times pi. It is equal to 24. What is pi? 3.14, right? And that is quantity B 72. So if you multiply 24 with 3, it will become 72. But in quantity A, it is 3.14. Right? We can just say quantity A is greater than quantity B. 24 times pi is greater than 24 into 3. Yes, option A is correct answer. Quantity A is greater than quantity B. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. And here is your question on your screen. The function f is defined by, function f is defined by f of x plus 3 divided by 2. F of x plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 3x square minus x plus 5. Right? We can put value of x, right? We can put x equal to 1. We put x equal to 1 in this function. Then 3 plus 1 will become 4 by 2. So we'll be getting f of 2. Right? On both the sides we can put x equal to 1. Like this you can simplify. It will become 7. Okay, I'm just giving you one example. Okay, for all numbers x, you can put any value of x, right? Any real number you can put. Quantity A is equal to f of 4 and quantity B is equal to 75. Okay, quantity A and quantity B are given to us and we have to compare these quantities. We want 4 in place of x plus 3 plus 2. Then what value of x should we put? Right? We want value of function at x equal to 4. Right? So in place of x, can we put 5? Right? Let me help you. We want this inner term as 4. Right? We want this inner term as 4. When it will become 4? Let's put x plus 3 divided by 2 equal to. To simplify this, you will get x equal to 5. If you put x equal to 5 in the function, you will be getting f of 4. Right? So put x equal to 5. Yes. So f of 5 plus 3 divided by 2, 8 by 2. We have put x equal to 5. We have to put x equal to 5, right? So on right hand side, you will also put x equal to 5. So minus 5 plus 5 will cancel out. 25 into 3, that is 75. Therefore 4 is equals to 75. The quantities are equal, so we can say option C will be correct answer for this question. Right? Both the quantities are equal. If we put x equal to 4, suppose if you put x equal to 4, then what we'll get is 4 plus 3 divided by 2, 7 by 2. If we put x equal to 4, it won't work. It won't work, right? If we put x equals to 4, then we are going to get this value, x plus 3 by 2, that will become 3.5. We don't want this value, right? We don't want this value. This question. That's why we are not putting x equal to 4. Right? We'll put x equal to 5, get f of 4 on LHS, and for same x will be getting some RHS. That is 75. Okay. Let us move on the next question. It is from geometry. Okay, so one figure is given to us. Right? One figure is given to us, and we are given that AB is equals to BC. AB is equals to BC. Okay. Quantity A is equals to X, quantity B is equal to 120. In triangle ABC, this angle B is 40 degree, right? AB is equals to BC. These both side lengths are equal. These both side lengths are equal in magnitude. So from the property of triangle, we know that if for any triangle two sides are equal, then angles opposite to those sides will also be equal. Right? So opposite, we can say angle opposite to side BC is alpha. This angle A. If this is alpha, then angle opposite to side AB will also become alpha. Right? These both angles will become alpha and both will be same, but we don't know exact value. We know for triangle ABC, for any triangle, if you will take sum of angles, for any triangle, if you take sum of angles, then it will become 180 degrees. So we can write 40 plus alpha will become 180. So from here we are getting value of alpha. 2 times alpha will become 140 and alpha will become 70. Right? So these both angles will become 70 only. So I am writing 70 over here. Right? Erasing this, I am writing 70 over here. Okay. Now we can find value of angle x. This complete angle will be 180 degrees. It's a straight line. Right? This is a straight line. This complete angle will be of 180 degrees. And if this portion is of 70 degrees, right? If this portion is of 70 degrees, then remaining portion will be of 110 degrees. You can say x is equals to 110. right? So yes, we can compare quantity A and quantity B, and we can say quantity B is greater than quantity A for this question. First, you have to use the property, if for any triangle two sides are of equal length, then angles opposite to those sides will be equal. And it's also true for vice versa. For any two triangles, for any one triangle, if two angles are same, then sides opposite to those angles will also be same, right? Then we got value of this angle 70 70. Then we got x equal to 180 minus 70. This complete angle is 180, here is 70. Then we got answer by 180 minus 70. It is value of x. So let's move on to the next question. This question is very interesting. This question is very interesting. R and T are consecutive integers. R and T are consecutive integers. And P is equals to R square plus T. Right? R and T are consecutive integers and P is equals to R square plus T. Quantity A is given to us minus 1 raised to P. And quantity B is equals to minus 1. We don't know value of P. But P is a function of R and T. And R and T are consecutive integers. Right? We can say 2 and 3. Right? 2 and 3 are consecutive integers. We can say 4 and 5 are consecutive integers. We can say 7 and 8 are consecutive integers. But we can't check for all the values of R and T. Visualized form, if we are able to prove it, then we will definitely prove it. So you can pause the video, you can take maximum 1 minute to solve this question. This question is very interesting and tricky as well. Challenging question, I will say. If P is even, right, minus 1 raised to even power will become plus 1 and minus 1 raised to odd power will become minus 1. Right? Yes. I can say 4 possible cases. If R and T are two consecutive integers, then there are only 2 possibilities. Either R will be odd, right? Either R will be odd or R will be even. If R is odd, let me write with different. R can be even or odd, right? If R is odd, then T will be even only. After every odd number, there will be even number. And if R is even, then T will be odd. Right? We are going to use odd even concept. Okay. So these are 2 major possible cases: odd even and even odd. Okay. You have to find R square plus T. P is nothing but R square plus T. Okay. For this particular case, if you find R square plus T, R is odd, right? R is odd. So in place of R, I am putting odd. Plus T is even. Even number I am writing, right? So if you take any odd number, if you take square of any odd number, like square of 3, that is 9, square of 5, that is 25. So square of any odd number will become odd only, right? Square of any odd number will become odd only. Yes or no? Right? Square of any odd number will become odd only. Odd square will be odd and even I am writing as it is. So if you are adding a odd and even number, if you are adding odd and even number, that will, you can say 3 plus 6. 3 is odd, 6 is even. So sum of odd and even number will always become odd. Yes or no? Right? We are taking 3 plus 6, that is 9, that is odd number. We are taking 2 plus 5, that is also odd. So in this case, we got P as an odd number. P will be odd. And if you are taking minus 1 raised to P, we are taking odd power of minus 1. Minus 1 raised to odd power. That will be equal to minus 1. Right? And quantity B is also equal to minus 1. But we are left with one more possibility. R can be even, then T will be odd. So I am writing P again. P is equals to R square plus T. In place of R I am putting even. Right? So square of any even number. In place of T I am putting odd. T is odd. Right? So square of any even number will become even only. Square of 2 is 4, square of 4 is 16, even, right? And we know even plus odd is equals to odd. So in this case, P will be odd number. We have concluded that P is it will be an odd number. You can take examples as well. You can take R equal to 5, then T will become 6, right? You can take few examples. You can take R equal to 9, T equal to 10. You can take R equal to 2, then T equal to 3. Right? P will be odd number and minus 1 raised to odd will become minus 1. So for this question, correct answer will be option C. Both the quantities are equal. Both are equal to minus 1. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like this, share this and subscribe to the channel. See you in our upcoming video.